Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by creating a clear audio path. Install and select a virtual audio device as your system playback, then set your microphone as the input. Once done, open YouTube and force its output to the virtual device so system audio routes where you can capture it. Make sure sample rates match, typically 44, 1 or 48 kHz, to avoid sync issues. This establishes the only way mix. Mic plus browser audio combined through the virtual device for simultaneous recording. Next, configure your recorder to receive the routed streams. In Audacity or OBS, pick the virtual device as an input and your mic as a separate input. Once selected, create 2 tracks so you keep mic and YouTube audio independent for editing later. Arm both tracks and adjust gain so peaks don't clip. Use monitoring to hear the mix without feedback. Make sure buffer and sample settings match the virtual device. This prevents dropouts and keeps lip sync tight while you record. Now you're ready. Start the YouTube video, then press record in your software so mic and system audio capture together. During recording, watch levels and trim gain to avoid clipping. If needed, pause the video and adjust. When finished, stop both playback and recording, then export separate WAV files at 48 kHz for best quality. If something went wrong, first verify the virtual device is still the system output. Confirm matching sample rates, and increase buffer slightly to resolve clicks or sync drift.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.